What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates. You want to get yourself the best aluminum gates in the nation? Let me show you how we can help you. We got PROFILE60 T&G full aluminum series gates, which are heavy duty design, super heavy duty. And then we have full privacy option to secure your front yard, your backyard, any sort of enclosure, including pool enclosures, AC enclosures. We got you covered for everything. So in this job specifically, we have beautiful design entrance gate with a small side panel, which can be opened as well, just to access and give it a little bit more width for the entrance. And then we have beautiful side fence. As you can see, all the lines are matching throughout the whole job, throughout the whole front of the house, which gives you a nice, clean, silky smooth look. Talk about precision, guys. Here we have a nice keypad lock, super secure. And as you can see in the layout here, we have this wall. So when we're doing the measurements for the job, we make sure that everything is aligned and perfectly measured. As you can see, like I mentioned, this is a swing gate, but this small side panel, you can actually also open it and access with a wider opening for the entrance in case you want to bring like a fridge or a couch or something like that. It gives you this extra couple of feet opening for the whole job. Here you go, we're gonna close this gate right now. Super secure. And check this out, let me step right there. So here we have this side fence, which is actually enclosing the whole property from right side, front, and on the left side we also have the same fence blocking the view, so none of the pedestrians walking on the street can actually see more or less inside your front of the house and the front yard. Super nice, silky clean and smooth. Just like I said, guys, Globus Gates doing fantastic installs throughout the whole California. With experience more than 3,200 jobs installed, you can make sure that you're getting the company who knows what they're doing. Professional installers, we're obviously licensed, insured, and bonded, and we got you covered from A to Z, installed or material only. We have a wholesale department which can sell the jobs for architect, contractors, or designers for your choice. In Globus, we also have wholesale department which can help architects, designers, or contractors. So you can pick the gates you like and we just assemble it for you, and you can install it yourself with your own teams. So give us a call and get yourself a nice, longest lasting fence on the market possible, which is aluminum fence, and get it done with Globus Gates, the best company on the market.